So today, this happened on the floor of the House of Rep when Obi Agwacha, the House of Rep member that is representing the constituency of Nnamdi Kanu in Abia State. So he stood up on the floor and complained about the deteriorating health of Nnamdi Kanu. And he said he wrote a letter to the speaker to that effect to make sure they put hands together to clear the whole mountains that is preventing this man not to go to the hospital. And I look at how this man was manhandled and the motion was stepped down. Take a listen.
Labor member? Is he the one?
Yes, sir. LP 76, 77, 78.
So what's the point of order?
Mr. Speaker, my name is Honorable Obi Agwacha. I represent the great people, Mr. Speaker, of Ikuano, Umaya North, and Umaya South Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, I'm an Abia man. Mr. Speaker, I rise on Order 6, Rule 2, matters of privilege.
What do you want to... Go ahead.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for giving me the opportunity. I wish to draw the attention of Mr. Speaker and the House that on the 26th of August, 2025, I wrote a letter to Mr. Speaker, the House of Representatives, as well as a letter to the Attorney General of the Federation and a letter to Mr. President, urging for the urgent intervention request in the deteriorating health conditions of my constituent, Nnamdi Kanu. Up until today, Mr. Speaker, I have yet to receive any response from Mr. Speaker, from Mr. President, and from the Attorney General, despite the deteriorating health of Nnamdi Kanu, whom has been evaluated by his own team of doctors and came up with a report which was attached to the letter that was submitted to Mr. Speaker and to the President and as well to the Attorney General. Second evaluation has been conducted by the Nigerian Medical Association, and the results even further confirms the deteriorating health of Nnamdi Kanu. He has organ deficiencies, low potassium, and that he is, as we speak, on the verge of death. Mr. Speaker, at the instruction of the court instructed in 8 days for the Nigerian Medical Association to also do their own assessment. So there are 3 reports now, Mr. Speaker, all leading to the same direction. I quote the judge. The judge says it's only a man who is alive and living can stand trial. Mr. Speaker, this is not politics or any other thing, but it is a fundamental human right that should be ascribed to Nnamdi Kanu. Most other people in that gap have been given opportunities to even travel overseas to seek medical attention. Nnamdi Kanu is neither convicted of any crimes in Nigeria and must be protected under the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So, Mr. Speaker, a lot of progress has been made in order to see that the government does the right thing to be able to afford Nnamdi Kanu the urgent treatment that he needs. It's significant, Mr. Speaker, if otherwise.
My dear honorable colleague.
Yes, sir.
I do not see where your privilege is conflicted here.
I have not received a letter that I wrote to the Speaker. I'm a member of the House, and my office deserves a response, whether it's positive or not. But as a member, and the letters were received by your office on the 27th of August, right here.
Is the letter you wrote to Mr. Speaker's office just a notification?
Not a notification,
or a demand for a certain action to be taken?
Yes, we requested for a certain action, which was to intervene in the medical condition of Nnamdi Kanu, whom is now, his health condition is deteriorating.
If it is something specific to the office of the Speaker, Honorable, I find it a little bit intriguing that you will come by way of a privilege to demand action to be taken.
Mr. Speaker, the letter was written.
The Speaker that you have direct
Mr.
access
Speaker,
to.
the letter was written since August 26th.
You have direct, unfettered, Honorable,
yes, sir.
unfettered access to my office. This is not the kind of thing that I would expect that will come by way of privilege.
It is a matter of privilege.
If it is something beyond you from the outside, but if it is something that is a letter written to my office, a phone call from you, a visit to my office can solve the problem. So I don't think if...
Mr. Speaker, I've been to your office, Mr. Speaker.
So you mean
I've
you
also
have
submitted the
explored
letter,
all
Mr. Speaker.
options and opportunities. You couldn't see me except here.
I've come to your office, Mr. Speaker. We just resumed today.
I don't think
We just resumed today, Mr. Speaker. And it's equally important, Mr. Speaker.
Please, Honorable.
Order, please.
Honorable, please.
Please be
Step
guided.
this down because it is not the right thing to do.
Yes.
Please, I beg you. Step it down.
Please be guided.
Mr. Speaker, it is
Please be guided.
Mr. Speaker, it's a matter of life and death.
Please.
My constituent life
please
is
be
at stake.
guided.
I
And
am trying to tell you the
attention
procedure.
of the House, Mr.
This
Speaker.
is not right. Step it down and
Please.
see me if you want any action concerning any letter you have written to me. You don't need to
Mr.
go
Speaker,
by way of this.
The House
please be
rules,
guided.
excuse me, sir. The House rules allows me the latitude to bring an issue of privilege to this House and to the attention of Mr. Speaker. And it is important, Mr. Speaker, that this House
only when your
takes
privilege
cognizance
is compromised
of the issue of President Nnamdi
denied
Kanu.
that you can bring it up. And I thought that particular position is talking in respect of instances where the issues is beyond your control. But this is not what a letter from yourself to me.
Yes, sir. The
When
letter
you
is here,
have, as a member,
Mr. Speaker.
direct access to come to my office and seek for explanation.
Mr. Speaker,
Why?
I've been
Why
to
do
your
you
office.
have to go through this?
I've been to your office to seek
over-arguing with the Speaker.
Please.
Excuse me, sir. Can you read the order book, Rule 6 and subsection 2, to know that I also have the right?
Honorable,
Yes, you do, but
please,
you are
you
not
are ruled
privileged.
out of order. You are ruled
You
out
don't
of order.
shut
You
me
can sit
down.
down, please.
I have to. You are ruled out of order, please.
All right. I know a lot of people will justify the stepping down of the motion to what the speaker said or the excuses the speaker gave, but that is a bullshit. On the same house, I have seen a motion to help so many people who have been found guilty in a court of law, who are in the detention. A motion will come like this. The speaker will say it is a human rights issue, that they will ask EFCC, especially I know some top politicians who were in detention of EFCC when they were going to court case and all those things. So they will just say that they should, make someone have been found guilty to go to hospital. But the honorable made it there to the house. Nnamdi Kanu have never been found guilty, because this is something that a lot of people is confusing. For over 10 years that this man have been in court, dragging with up and down with the Nigerian government, this man have never been found guilty. This man have been in court several times. There have been court judgments up to 4. There is no court judgment that have found Nnamdi Kanu guilty. So get it that there. Now, someone that is not guilty, and you see there is a conspiracy against him. This is a very big conspiracy against Nnamdi Kanu. And I think it's a pity, okay? It's a pity. Sometimes in life, that is how it is. That is how things used to go sometimes. I look back to seeing a lot of people who have been in detention, like Nelson Mandela, for over 20-something years in detention. And guess what? Some of Mandela's people were saying that he's a criminal. Some slaves who were loyal to the apartheid government were saying Mandela is a terrorist. Mandela is this, Mandela is that. Because they are loyal to the terrorist government of the apartheid regime, and they were trying to sweet talk them because of change. That is the same thing that is going on today. There is a conspiracy against Nnamdi Kanu. Even his people are against him. A lot of things have been going on, but it's a matter of time. You see, time is going to, justifies everything that people have been doubting. It is a matter of time. Time will come. A lot of people who do not understand the concept of Nnamdi Kanu, we beg for someone like Nnamdi Kanu to arise. Is it not this Nigeria? Yes, this Nigeria. We are watching, looking at what is going to happen tomorrow. It's a pity anyway. What do I know? Let me know what you think on the comment section. I am Okocha Happy myself.